While gas and charcoal grills allow home cooks to prepare meals al fresco, the outdoor appliances have their limitations. An outdoor griddle is more versatile, capable of cooking many of the foods a grill can, including burgers, steaks, and chicken, along with some foods one could never cook on a standard grill, such as bacon, eggs, and pancakes. An outdoor griddle consists of a broad, flat cooking surface made of rolled steel, cast iron, or stainless steel. The cooking surface is heated with gas burners powered by a propane tank. Outdoor griddles come as large standalone models, small tabletop units, or even plates that can cook on an existing grill. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best outdoor griddles you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Cuisinart Gourmet Gas Griddle. With its two powerful 10,000 BTU stainless steel burners, this tabletop outdoor griddle is small but mighty. It boasts 285 square inches of cold-rolled steel cooking surface. The burners are controlled by two knobs and light with a twist to start ignition. A large rim around the cooktop keeps grease in the pan, while a drainage hole in the lower corner leads to a removable grease catch. The griddle measures 20 inches wide by 20 inches deep and weighs just 30 pounds, so it is hefty but compact enough to take on the road. A built-in hose connects to a 20-pound propane tank, and the griddle lifts and carries easily, supported by large handles on the sides. Number 4. Cuisinart 4-Burner Gas Griddle. The Cuisinart 4-Burner Gas Griddle has powerful burners, a durable cooktop, and a design that makes it easy to maneuver. In addition to a large rolled steel cooking surface that boasts 760 square inches of cooking space powered by four 15,000 BTU gas burners, this griddle offers ample space for meal prep and tool storage. It features two large side tables and an under-griddle shelf. The Cuisinart griddle also features a leg design that sets it apart from other griddles. Its curved legs feature wheels that allow the user to maneuver it as a standalone grill or fold them in to convert to a tabletop model. Number 3. Royal Gourmet Propane Gas Grill and Griddle Combo. Should you choose a gas griddle or grill? How about both? This Royal Gourmet Propane combination model splits its cooking surface into a griddle and a grill, creating two cooking zones that outdoor chefs can use simultaneously. Each cooking zone provides 292 square inches of cooking space with two 12,000 BTU burners each. Two large side tables offer additional prep space, and four hooks under the grill provide storage for cooking utensils. Other thoughtful features include a convenient bottle opener attached to one side table and four sturdy casters that make it easy to maneuver this griddle around a deck or patio. Despite its large size, this griddle is portable with legs that fold under the grill for transport. Number 2. Royal Gourmet 18-inch Tabletop Gas Grill. Weighing in at just 24 pounds and measuring 23 inches long and 14 inches deep, this Royal Gourmet Tabletop Gas Grill and Griddle is compact enough to take on the road for a weekend of camping or an afternoon of tailgating. It's powered by a single 12,000 BTU gas burner, which uses a 1-pound propane gas canister that attaches conveniently to the underside of the control panel. The grill rests on four sturdy feet with non-slip bottoms and cooks food on a porcelain enameled surface. The griddle lights easily with a piezo lighter, and a simple control knob adjusts the flame size. A slide-out grease tray collects drippings and makes disposal easy. Despite its small size, the griddle offers 221 square inches of cooking surface, enough to handle 8 hamburger patties. Number 1. Camp Chef Flat Top Grill. An excellent design, ample cooking space, and powerful burners make this model from Camp Chef one of the top griddles on the market. In addition to 604 inches of cooking surface, which are powered by four 12,000 BTU burners, this griddle offers more storage than nearly every other griddle on the market. Two large end tables extend from the sides for food prep, and two shelves below the cooking surface offer plenty of space for storing cooking tools and spices. This griddle is versatile, too, thanks to interchangeable plates that allow it to function as both a griddle and standard gas grill. Wheels on one end of the frame enable the chef to move the griddle around the deck or patio, while a convenient rack holds a standard 20-pound propane tank. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.